Hello, my friends. Look at this beautiful chessboard and pieces Miss Alexis made. Do you see? That is a pawn. Look at its cute little eyes. And the queen has a nice star on her crown. So, I'm going to go now and Miss Alexis is going to teach you how to make a chessboard. Have fun, friends. Bye. Hi, my friends. Miss Alexis here. How are you doing? I miss you so much. The weather's been so nice. I hope you've been playing outside. Maybe you've been playing games outside. Maybe you've been playing chess outside. Well, like I said, I'd make a video for you of how to make a chessboard and pieces. So I'm going to make this super simple for you. The first thing is there are directions that your teachers have sent you. You will get a PDF or a piece of paper that has all the chess pieces to cut out. And you will get how to set up a chessboard. But some of you, I'm sure, remember. And I will give you directions for just about everything. So look for those. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut out your pieces. So now your pieces are cut out. The next thing you will do is get a box. I used a popcorn box. You can use a tea box. You can use any type of box that is strong, has strong cardboard, and that you can cut. So first, you cut it into strips about this size. You make about a 1-inch square type rectangle. It's really a rectangle. And then you're gonna take a strip about this size and you're gonna cut a piece out. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this piece like this on here. So here's our sample. Here's this piece. This becomes this, which becomes the base for your pieces. So you're gonna need a little bit of tape, just a little bit. And you're gonna take this little piece here, you're gonna tape it onto here. And now it's up. So anything that you put on there is gonna stick right up, like to hold your piece, okay? So I'm gonna paste a pawn for you so you can see how to paste these together. And you're gonna do this for each piece. Nice glue stick helps. You're gonna put the glue stick on the back of the pawn or whatever piece it is. Then you're gonna take the piece and you're gonna paste it up like this. See? Now it's standing. Then you're gonna take the other piece and you're gonna paste it on the back here. Front, back. And really, both are the front and back. Okay? All right. You're gonna do that for each piece until you have all your pieces done. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a chessboard. All right, my friends, so for the board, you're gonna need some white paper. If you have poster board, that might be helpful. I used paint paper. You could use printer paper too. But basically you're gonna have to use like 3 pieces of paper and have some scissors and cut it out because you're gonna wanna make your board about 14 inches and parents will have to help you. Please be patient with your parents. This might take some time. This took me some time to make the pieces and the board. So each side will be 14 inches. Then we're gonna wanna get to the point where we have the boxes. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a strip of paper that's 1.5 inches long and 14 inches wide. And you're gonna use that, and I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. So first you're gonna need a marker, and you're going to take this piece here, and you're gonna place it here, and you're going to use it like as a ruler. And you're gonna draw, if you can see the black line, I'm gonna do it again to show you. There's another black line, all right? And you're gonna keep doing that until the whole thing has lines, all right? I'll do this really fast for you. And then, once you have all these lines done, okay, you're gonna turn it over this way. Can you see? And you're gonna do the same thing going this way. Now, what I chose to do was paint each of the boxes. You can color each of the boxes with a crayon. You might want to use marker. If you have a crayon, something that you can do is peel the outside of the paper off and color it in. So now we have all the boxes, right? But we want to get it to look like this, okay? So we're gonna make an X on each of the boxes that is gonna be black. And we're going to start here. An X on each of the boxes. And then that way we know that those are the ones that we have to color black. So I put an X on all the boxes that will be black. Soon you'll color them in like this, okay? All right, so I'm gonna start. So if you use the crayon, you can just go like this. Okay? Or you can get some paint and paint it. I also have this paint stick that worked pretty well, if you can see. I made it very, very, very simple when I painted, and it really took no time at all, actually, to just take the brush and put this paint on there, and it was barely any paint. I think it came out pretty good, actually. So now I'm gonna set up the chessboard for you. All right, my friends, I set up the black pieces for us to check out. We have the rooks right here, the knights right here, the bishops, the queen and the king, and then all of our pawns go right in front. If you decide to make the board and the pieces, I hope you have so much fun. I bet that you've noticed throughout the videos that my hands, well, now they have, I must have washed them, but I was trying to make other types of pieces and I really didn't like how they turned out. So I'll show you some of them. So I tried to use rocks and I painted a little crown for the queen on there. Now that just seems too confusing for me. If you like it, you can check it out. So with the Legos, one thing that you can do, you could take these, they're like little fours, and stack them, okay? Take some tape. You need your parents' permission and probably help. And you can tape the pawn onto there, okay? You would have to do on each side, and you could do that for each piece, actually. It is up to you, but this was the best way that I could see for you to use Legos. Well, my friends, I can't wait to see how your chessboard and pieces turn out. I really think these Legos are actually a pretty good idea if you have any, and it is a choice. I would have to ask permission from my kids to use these, and I might use them for the other side. So until next time, take care, have so much fun. If you make this board and pieces, comment below and share pictures, okay? Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye, my friends.